In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a professional web banner design in Photoshop step by step. Web banners are used everywhere online, from website hero sections and blog headers to landing pages and online advertisements. A well-designed banner can instantly grab attention, promote a product or offer, and make your website look far more professional. The great news is that you don't need to be an expert designer to create one. By following a few simple design steps inside Photoshop, you can create clean, modern banners that look great on any website. I'm going to walk you through the entire process, from creating the document all the way to exporting the final banner ready for the web. And if you enjoy simple and practical Photoshop tutorials like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more design tutorials just like this. Now, let's jump straight into Photoshop and start creating our banner. The first step is creating the banner document. Open Adobe Photoshop and go to the top menu. Click File and then select New. This opens the New Document window where you can set the size for your banner. The size will depend on where the banner will be used. For example, a common website hero banner is 1920 by 600 pixels. A blog header might be around 1200 by 400 pixels. If you're creating a Google display ad, you might use 728 by 90 pixels. And for Square social media graphics, you might use 1080 by 1080 pixels. After entering the dimensions, set the resolution to 72 pixels per inch, because this is the standard resolution used for web graphics. Make sure the color mode is set to RGB, since screens display color using the RGB color system. For the background, you can choose white or transparent, depending on your design preference. Then click Create to open the canvas. Your background. Go to Layer, then New Fill Layer, and choose Solid Color. From there, you can pick any color you want for the banner background. Now let's add some shapes to make the banner look more modern and visually interesting. Select the rectangle tool from the toolbar or press U on your keyboard. Click and drag on the canvas to draw shapes. These shapes can act as design elements, such as color blocks, overlays, or sections that help highlight important content. You can change the color from the top menu and adjust the opacity in the Layers panel to create transparent overlay effects. Many professional banner designs use simple geometric shapes to guide the viewer's attention toward the main message. After that, we can insert the main text for the banner. Select the Type tool or press T on your keyboard and click anywhere on the canvas to start typing. Most banners follow a simple text structure. First, add a large headline such as Big Sale 50% Off or New Collection Available Now. This headline should be bold and easy to read because it's the first thing people notice. Under the headline, you can add smaller supporting text like Limited Time Offer or Free Shipping on orders over $50. Try to keep your design clean by using no more than 2 fonts. Usually one bold font for the headline and a simple font for the supporting text works perfectly. Next, let's add images or product photos to the banner. Go to File and choose Place Embedded again. Then select the image you want to use. This could be a product photo, a person, or anything related to your promotion. Once the image appears on the canvas, press Ctrl-T or Command-T to transform and resize it. Position the image so it balances nicely with the text. If the image has a background you don't want, you can click Select Subject and then choose Remove Background in the Properties panel. Now let's create a Call to Action button, which encourages people to click the banner. Select the Rectangle tool again and draw a small rounded rectangle. Choose a color that stands out from the rest of the banner. Then select the Type tool and add text such as Shop Now, Learn More, or Get Started. High contrast colors usually work best for call to action buttons because they grab attention quickly. Once all the elements are added, it's time to align everything neatly. Select the Move tool by pressing V and use the alignment options at the top of Photoshop to center elements or evenly space them. Make sure you leave some margin around the edges so the banner doesn't feel crowded. Good spacing and alignment make a big difference in how professional your design looks. Finally, we need to export the banner for the web. Go to File, then Export, and choose Export As. If your banner contains photos or complex backgrounds, you can export it as JPEG. If your design uses transparency or sharp graphics, you might prefer PNG. Another modern option is WebP, which provides excellent image quality with smaller file sizes for faster loading websites. Choose your format, click Export, and your banner is now ready to upload to your website or marketing campaign. And that's how you create a professional web banner design in Photoshop step by step. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Photoshop and design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.